Hello, good morning everybody. I'm Sébastien, he's Michel Bras from Restaurant Bras in Laguiole, a very small village of south of France, in Aubrac region, a very wide place, very wide place. The restaurant is situated in the center of Aubrac region. I'm going to present you one of the most famous dishes in our restaurant called gargouillou. It's a dish composed of different kinds of vegetables. Usually we use between 50 to 80 different kind of vegetables. So I'm going to show you a few preparations. In the morning we start to prepare and to cut and peel all the different kind of vegetables, preparing herbs and flowers. That's the first job in the morning. So Michel is preparing les courgettes jaunes, pâtissons jaunes, haricots beurre, des haricots brun rouge. It's a new variety. We just started to use it in the restaurant. It's changing color when we cook it.
On n'a pas des
So we are preparing all different kind of vegetables separately. We cook it alone, and at the end of the morning, we need 2 hours to prepare all the vegetables. And at the end of the morning, we have all the different vegetables prepared and cooked separately. There is only a part of each one here.
Il me faut quelques haricots beurre de plus.
We have bedside, we have moutarde, cauliflower, many different kind of things. That's chourave, that's this chourave, fennel, and we try to prepare it separately. T'as pas perdu la main? Ça va? Ça va?
Oui, je veux les amener.
So it takes us a long time to prepare each vegetable because every morning we are preparing for 100 plates like that. So it takes a long time. We are working with 6 or 7 chefs only working on it. Les trampolines, quand est-ce que tu vas les ramasser? C'est ce qu'on est en train de se faire avec le bœuf. Tiens, on va tailler ça.
Mais là, je l'ai fait.
Refais-moi ça pour le... That's the art of cauliflower. We really like to work on it because usually we don't use it, but we really like it's very soft and tender. Tu peux montrer comment on taille?
Là, il y a là
Gargouillou is changing, the composition of gargouillou is changing every day because we go to the market in Rhodes City and vegetables are changing quite, not every day, but it's changing during all the season. We don't have always the same dish, changing every day.
vous avez d'autres mois là, non? Ça a eu le gros Covid avec
vous pouvez commencer à prendre les légumes que vous avez à cuire, les gars, si vous voulez. Là. je vais embrayer, lui monter la cuisson.
Ce que je voudrais, c'est que là, tu me le fasses dans les rondelles aussi.
Il faut que j'embraye sur la cuisson. Tu as des légumes en cuisson là-bas? Voilà. On va ici. So we cook all the vegetables separately in boiling salted water. And then we refresh it in fresh water. At the end of the morning, when all the vegetables have been cutted, cooked, refreshed. On a une petite tranche de jambon, les gars, s'il vous plaît. Merci. Then to prepare the gargouillou at the last moment, we just put a small piece of ham with a few drops of olive oil. Oui. It gives flavor to the gargouillou, ham flavor. Butter. Vous n'avez pas une pointe de beurre en plus là. That's it, and now we are going to put it on a plate. Tu peux te pousser, je vais laisser la rondine, c'est moi. Just before putting all the vegetables on the plate, we are using different kinds of gnac. Gnac for us is flavor touch. For example, mushroom, olive pasta, ciboulette, pepper, different kinds of things which make flavor touch. Germ seeds. Pumpkins puree with brown sugar.
Le glaçon et du gros gratin peut-être. Il y en a pas ce matin.